They don't? Okay.
If it's just me or I can't hear Coach.
I can't hear me either.
There we go. Check.
There it is.
Yay.
Yeah,
all right. Sorry
There we
about
go.
that.
Check.
There it is.
Yay.
Yeah,
all right. Sorry
There we
about
go.
that. All right. Here we go. Let's get this party started. I'm going live on all the things now. All right. I see we are up on Twitch. Check. I see we're up on YouTube's. There we go. Just make sure we are live over on LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok, please. There we go. Almost there. While I'm getting set up, just a reminder of those of you that are tuning in now.
LinkedIn's good.
Thank you. Just a reminder. Nick, appreciate you, man. 7 months Prime. That's awesome. That's cool. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, appreciate you, man. You've been here a long time, huh, brother?
Yeah, we're coming up on, we're over 2 years for sure now.
Wow.
When was your first Twitch broadcast? Because you accidentally had an update that had OBS button click to go to Twitch. And you're like, oh, Twitch is live.
It probably would have been within that first month that I went live. So I would imagine in August. So at some point, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me fire up all the machines. And thank you, by the way. Video editing is cranking the machine.
Yep, we could always use a few more brave souls. So.
Yes, absolutely. Always recruiting. You guys heard that. So if you guys are still interested in heading over and being a part of our media team, we definitely want to hear from you. All right, there we go. I see everybody on TikTok. Good morning. Don't forget, I know we got about a minute and a half to the bell. American Dream Trading is not a financial, tax, or investment advisor. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. While you guys are here training, make sure you guys are using a paper trading or simulated account. Today is FOMC meeting at 2 o'clock, so you guys are going to see a lot of topsy-turvy, ups and downs. It's going to be very volatile, especially the closer we get to 2 o'clock, and then when he's up on press release at 2:30, and then he's going to lead into power hour at 3 o'clock. So everybody please be cool. Make sure everybody has their stop losses in place. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, and Bucko. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you being here. Thank you to all my military family and all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you guys are interested in any of our products or services, head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can sign up for our free Discord. Remember, over on our Discord, we will never friend requests, send messages, etc. to you. That is not us, so please be cool. Also, if you guys use the discount code today, 2025, you can take 25% off all of our products and services, excluding a one-on-one with me and our new Diamond Lifetime membership. Don't forget, with our new Diamond Lifetime membership, you guys will get lifetime unlimited access to all of our services today and in the future, and you can make 4 easy payments to make that happen. Right now, the first 10 people, I think we have 4 left. I know the bell's about to ring, but we have 4 left. If you guys do get one of those Diamond memberships, then you guys will get a one-on-one with me for free. Speaking of one-on-one, you guys can also have 4 easy payments with a one-on-one with me. But otherwise, remember, everybody be cool today. Follow all the rules today. I will be trading futures. I've been trading stocks and options every day. Today will be futures. So make sure your call outs are clear and concise, and let's kick some booty. All right, let's see what's going on. Keeping an eye on SPY here. I can see Apple is to the upside. Congratulations to all of our 2-minute EWO riders yesterday on Apple. Beautiful, successful day for them.
Google is on the double bottom.
Thank you. I see the Qs are pulling here to the downside.
Let's stop peak SLXN moving up.
Thank you.
Microsoft first red EWO.
Thank you.
Amazon second red EWO.
Yep, I see SPY is pulling here. Something's going on. I thought I was going to be able to trade my account today, but something is not working right. I'll have to look at that. All right. Apologize. I was going to try to trade live for you guys today, but I'm having some technical difficulties still. DJT is up 11%. Fubo TV, Fubo 6.5%. Starbucks 5.5%. Boeing 2%. AMD to the upside. AMD is to the upside here. Looking nice. Bear with me. I'm just trying to get this set up on the back end. I don't know what's going on. Something is still broke. Q's pulling hard here. SPY still pulling back. Remember, 603 is where SPY was pre-market low. Apple found support around this 234 level. Everybody see that?
Big green on Tesla.
Thank you. Tesla to the upside. All right, thank you. Let's take a look. Yep, I see it.
AMD pullback from double top at 116.30.
Thank you. Be careful with Tesla around 398. That's pre-market high. 398 is pre-market high there. Just be careful.
Microsoft Meta and Amazon euro day.
Thank you. There's your pullback on Tesla 398. Be careful. Dangerous territory. Look at that pullback on Tesla. Did I save anybody on that 398? Whew. Talk to me.
SXTP is going up.
Thank you. Did I save anybody's Butte over there?
Yeah, coach.
Yeah, that was gnarly, right?
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, wow.
Same strong pullback on AMD.
Thank you.
That engulfed 80% of that candle.
Yes.
Coach, can you take a look at Riot?
Yep, just give me 1 second. Somebody's ringing my doorbell. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Want me to look at Riot? Hold on. Yeah, Riot with a massive pullback here. Same thing with Riot. Downside 1080. Watch for that 1080, okay?
Thank you.
Yep, that should be around support. You guys can see previous day got down to 1075, so that's your rock bottom for support. So around 1080, I'd start to be paying attention to that for support. It did hit 1075 yesterday. Sorry, gang, that was my lawn staff coming to refresh the mulch. Isn't that weird in January? Anybody?
I concur.
Yeah, that's the weirdest thing I've ever heard of.
It's a little
They might
early.
be, they might be a cult.
Yeah, I don't know what that's.
Refresh.
Might be bucking to get some money off a refresh a mulch, right?
It's last year's mulch.
Yeah,
Let's see what
exactly.
you're doing online. I know you're making that money.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's just that's weird. I'm like, okay, do what you need to do. I'm not going to tell them how to do their job. I wouldn't want them to come in here and what do you mean you're trading like that, right?
They're casing the neighborhood.
No, yeah, it's my lawn guy. They're the ones that did. You remember? They redid the entire front lawn. Maybe that's why, because it's all brand new up there. I don't know. That could be. All right, SPY right here on support. Remember, I said watch for SPY at 603. Watching to see if SPY has a bounce here at 603. Everybody sees this, right? They had a nice bounce. Don't forget, if you guys are watching on TikTok, if we get to 350 concurrent viewers today or 50,000 likes, we'll do a giveaway. If you guys are watching over on YouTube, if we get 100 likes, we'll also do a giveaway for somebody over on YouTube. Thank you guys. Appreciate everybody. I was going to scoop up this bounce, but I missed it. So now I'm going to reset here on SPY. Remember, today I'm trading futures. I'm actually trading my futures through our trading view indicators. So I'll show you guys if I get into something juicy over there so you guys can see what it looks like. Just waiting.
SPY trading, or not SPY with Tesla below the trading of lows.
Is it?
Low.
Okay.
Tesla has news about Kathy Woods dumping a bunch of stock.
Oh, I got you. Yep. Thank you. So she's just reorganizing the portfolio. Every time it gets heavy, they have to do that, just so you guys know.
Before earnings.
Yep. There goes SPY on that bounce again at that 603 level. I'm going to get it.
Filled.
I'm in it this time. Did you guys hear my fill order? Nice. Protecting my trade. I'm up 300.
Stop filled.
Just got stopped out, made $100. 150. Is that going to annoy you guys with that order filled and all that crap? I can turn that off.
It's a bit much.
Yep, I got it. I'll turn it off now. There we go.
Who is this guy?
Yeah, what is this? It's some sort of fake furu guru.
Anybody that can have that sure needs their most refreshed.
Exactly. I see your hat. You're some sort of stock trader. You need new mulch. Whoa.
I think they see this Cybertruck and thinking, man, this guy's got money. Come on.
Right. This is why we're going to do a refresh on your mulch every month.
Check Amazon. Apple, I'm sorry. Apple.
Yep, I'm looking at it. Yeah, it had that bounce off that 234. So waiting on SPY here again. It did pull back. All right, there we go. It pulled back. Drops below that 9. I'm going to hammer those short. There it goes. I'm in it. Nice. Oh, I don't want too tight of a stop. I'll take it. Just sitting there. Just made another 120 bucks. Just taking a little piece at a time here. Waiting for this thing to have a nice move. Oh, there's the move. Yikes. Coach, you missed that one. Wow. Did you guys see that? Whew.
Yeah, I just see what happened too quick.
Yikes. I know I just sold that for a small gain, and I was like, we'll wait and see what it does. I re-entered now. I was like, well, we'll see. Well, you missed that, Coach.
Futures, metals sector, silver, especially.
Yeah, that just went.
That triggered stops.
Yeah, it did. That fired a lot of stops. There we go. That it is. 400, 560, $750. Moving my stop. Order filled. Up $664 this morning. SPY still pulling. Nice, nice.
All big 7 to the downside excepted for Apple.
Right, right.
Just want to see a bigger pull on SPY.
That's what I want to see. That's why I got out of that when it did the quick bounce.
All right. We're on the same page.
Yeah, I want to see this. As long as it stays below 603, but I want to see a big lights out here. I like that candle. Oh, yeah, I'm in it. See if we get a nice pull. There we go. Yes. Went in a lot heavier that time. I'm up 1,000. 1125. 1,300. Moving my stop. Just sold off. Looks like it made 700.
Amazon pulling hard.
Thank you. SPY still pulling. I almost liked the fact that you guys could hear when I was in and out of those trades, though. No?
Yeah, was that a bad thing? Because it like cut your profit in half.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, let me.
pretty
Yeah,
good.
I'm going to do that just for a couple minutes. If it gets too annoying, though, you guys let me know. But let's try it for a couple minutes because you guys can then hear when I get in and when I get out, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, and that
Yeah,
might.
Get some noise.
Yep.
Yeah, that
Well,
makes
the way
sense.
you could just like turn the voice down a little bit, it would be beneficial for all of us. For sure.
I'll see if I can. The problem is it might be just through my desktop soundboard.
Can you change it to a female voice with an Irish dialect?
I wish I could because I would honestly rather hear that too.
Oh yes, please.
That's so funny. My Siri.
Yeah, that's how I have my Siri set up.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
That's fun.
Put
All
it
right.
in Nana's voice.
Oh, here we go. Polling again. I'm in it. All right. Now, you guys didn't hear it that time. So why didn't you hear it that time? Oh, that's why. I don't have that. Okay. I had the voice off. I'll try to work on the voice. Just bear with me. It's a work in progress. Moving my stop just above previous candle wick high. Just to. Now, why didn't I hear the voice go off?
Stop filled.
Oh, boy, that was late. Maybe it took a minute. Okay. Now we're above 603. Remember, above 603, I like that to the upside. Below 603, I like it to the downside, right?
Yes.
So now I'm just waiting. We're in that limbo phase. I don't want to touch this when it's sitting here on this VWAP and the 9, right? I don't want to touch any of this right here.
Yep, agree.
Apple still had that nice bounce off that 234 and climbing. Coming up on the 200 MA on the 2-minute. SPY, if this breaks VWAP here to the upside, I'll go long. Just waiting. Remember, this is where it's going to want to pull back if it's going to do it. Waiting, waiting, waiting. New candle just formed. Still sitting there. I wanted to see a pop off that candle as soon as it forms. See how I have my candle timer set so I can see when the next candle is going to come out? Still waiting.
Global new low finally broke support.
Thank
to
you.
the downside.
Thank you. This breaks below that 603. You guys already know what I'm going to do, right?
Yep.
Man, Apple hated that 200.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. A huge reject. All right. I'm in this.
Filled.
I'm in it. It's real tight. Looking for a little more push to get me below it. My stop is above the 9. Or I'm sorry. Yeah. And I'm sorry. My stop is above VWAP here. Looking to see if we get a nice pull right here at the 603. Giving a little bit of wiggle room. Got about 20 ticks for futures. Otherwise, for stocks and options, I'm above VWAP for my stop out. Got to give this some room right here. Soon as that, if it pulls below 603, I'll move my stop to protect. Basically, I'll have it just below where my original purchase is. That way I can cover my fees, right? Still waiting right here on SPY to see if what this is going to do at the 603. Still bouncing around this level. If I were all of you, wait till it breaks 602.90 downside, or you get a move above 603.20. What is this? 30. 603.30 up. 602.90 down. Okay. It'll look like this.
Copy.
Yep, it'll look just like that. I got in a little early. Only because last time I didn't, I missed that big flush, right? There we go. That's better. Moving my stop, protecting my trade. So if my order fills on my stop, it's only worth about $100. Otherwise, I'm letting this work down here, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm up 875, 1,000, 1250. Now I'm moving my stop. I only moved my stop just above. My stop is right here now. So if it breaks its own candle wick to the upside, there it went.
Stop filled.
There you go. Now, do you guys see why I did that? Because if it was going to break its own previous wick or that body from this candle, it was going to have a pop, right? Which it did. Now I'm looking for the setup again. If it stays back below this 9, gets back below 602.80, then I'll look at it again. So before it was 602.90, now I want to see it below 602.80. Makes sense? So I'm moving these. I'm going to move these so you guys can see. So remember, upside 60. Upside, I'm moving it because my 55 moved a bit. Upside now is going to be above 603.35. So you guys don't run into that wall above VWAP or below 602.80. Everybody see it on my screen? And we're still 603 is everything, right? That's what it'll look like right there. There's your setup.
Yeah, starting to channel, right?
Yep, absolutely. Now, I could, for short, make money here for the long, but the problem is right here is going to be our next level of resistance. So I might as well wait for the break here. That way I can get my profit up here. Just like I could trade this here, but if now my next level of resistance is going to be here, this is just not, there's just not a lot of meat on the bone there, right?
Where does your double top come in there?
Yeah, yep. And I want there to be more. Yeah, the double top's way up here. We don't have to worry about that till we get up to about 604. See it?
Gotcha.
Yeah, but should have a nice clean run, right? From that 603, 35, 40-ish. Obviously we'll hit something at 603.70, but it should be a nice clean move around back up to 604. So this is what it looks like. This is why I'm set up here. You guys can see green means break green, I'll go long. You can see my red breaks red, I will go short. Everybody see how that's set up on my screen? And since you guys have time, okay, right here, setting up for a buy. Make sure my stop loss is in place. If I can break above the 603.35-ish, this is where I'll go long. Otherwise, looking for a pullback from that area. Still waiting. Still waiting. A minute.
Order filled.
Now, on my 2-minute EWO, we're coming up to a level of resistance. So we also have to be careful of that. So as soon as I go green here, I'm going to protect that trade, even if it's a tighter stop, just because of the area we're at. $20 stop. Nope, faded too fast. That's going to trigger my stop in a second. It's right there.
Stop filled.
Yep. Did you guys hear that? Couldn't hold. Stop got filled out. That's why we have those stops, right, ladies and gentlemen? It could not hold up there. We're getting a little bit choppy chop. Goodness gracious. That chops me up again. I'll put myself on a timeout just because this is too choppy for me to play in, right?
Me too, Coach. I agree.
Yep.
You just need to focus more, Coach. You can do this.
That's right. SGN for small accounts up 225% on SGN. SGN.
I've been in that for a while. That's a good one.
Yes, that's nice. SPY up here again. SPY right on that same level of resistance there, right, gang? That 603.35. But on the 2-minute EWO, man, it is just way up on that upper band. I don't like it up there. Just don't like it. That breaks that. Oh, yeah, that looks good. I want to see that break, snap that 603. Because it's tried that multiple times up there in the ceiling. Look at this channel. 603.35 to 603. Everybody sees this? That's 6 candles in a row. Isn't that exactly where we all had it charted up, gang? Right?
Yeah, multiple
Yes, sir.
30-cent candles in a
Yes,
row.
sir, Bob.
Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's on its 6th candle in this exact same channel.
Screenshot that.
Yeah, it's wild. It's like, holy crap. Just waiting. Being patient. Waiting on that break. Now, last time it broke through here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this top wick. So I want to see it above 603.50 this time to go long.
And we have 3 minutes to ship change.
That is correct. Man, this is what stinks with SPY here. If you look at that 2-minute EWO indicator, like we're way up here in the clouds. So this is so high up here, right here. Just think, if you guys didn't have the indicators, you wouldn't even know that, would you?
Bet those ass cheeks, coach.
Yeah, you'd have no idea. You're just like, what are you talking about? It looks great. Whee!
Mark said that to me in Discord a couple days ago. You bet those ass
Yeah, I
cheeks.
saw that. That's awesome. All right, we're getting a pop. A minute.
Order filled.
Again, we're way up on the ceiling, and I understand that. But I've got to trade this trade. We're way up here in the ceiling. Like I said, if I get stopped out on this, I'm going to I'll put myself on a timeout. Oh, that's a nasty candle right there. It did the same thing again. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, didn't it?
Making my head hurt.
Yeah, I don't know. Big pops are looking not so good today.
No,
SPY, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hold on, it's 10 o'clock is coming.
Yep, it's on the 9, but is it gonna hold or is it gonna fade right off this thing again?
You got options Wednesday.
Well, FOMC Wednesday. Today's gonna be nuts.
You in a trade, coach, or you waiting?
I'm in a trade, but I can listen. Go ahead.
I was going to say, let that candle close.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I've got my stop here, so always got my stop. Still in this to the long side, but it's obviously down here because this candle just got pulled right back into the same channel. Yeah,
30 seconds.
This has to pop here because otherwise it's going to just get hammered right back down into this soup again.
ASTS, private offering down 10%.
Thank you. Here we go. 20 seconds to shift change volume. We're going to see if it's going to be upside or downside volume here. Make sure you guys have your stops in place. 7 seconds. There we go. Volume coming in. So far moving to the upside volume. Getting a nice little pop. Nice. Glad to see that. Oh, yeah, that's beauteous. Nice. See if we can punch right through here and hold now above 603.50. Tighten my stop here to just below VWAP in case that knife drops because it couldn't hold. Filled.
Stop filled.
Yep. It's too tight. Too tight, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting too chop sueyed. Did not have enough to run, so I'm going to take a break for a little bit.
Good job, coach.
Yeah. And then it pops. You son of a too tight of a stop.
I just said the same thing.
Yes, you. Oh my gosh.
Story of my life.
Order filled.
Well, let's dance with the devil then.
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't like that. What just happened?
Apple testing new high of day.
Thank you. Boy, I screwed that up somehow. I think my stop didn't work right. Did you guys hear it as soon as I did it?
Mag 7, all of them are in red today so far.
Right, right.
Yep.
There's that SPY run up above 603.50, gang.
Would that be the break candle or the hold candle?
If it doesn't hold 70, it'll pull back low 603s.
How we do the break and hold? Good.
Yeah, it's up there. It's up there now. You got second candle.
And it's forming the first green EW.
Hot stock pick SNG moving up.
Yeah, SGN, you mean? The SGN?
Sorry, yes, SGN.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
good
okay.
correct.
Thank you.
Probably coming up to a whole dollar quick.
Yeah, it is. It's moving fast, isn't it?
Trying to get to that 200.
Hey, Coach, you mind taking a peek at Google?
Yeah, absolutely.
IWM climbing strongly.
Yeah, Google. Oh, Google's the same thing right here. This 196 is everything for Google, right?
Yeah, it's right at support right now.
Yep. And I had this marked from before. Yeah, look at Google pulling back on that 196.
Apple is doing the same thing at resistance.
I see it. Oh,
It's
goodness.
like it's right there at that. It's trying to break that 200 and it's not doing it.
Right.
SPY is just on top of the 55 on the 2-minute.
Yeah, it's yeah, the 603.50 for SPY is a big deal.
Did that get a nice little pullback right off of the opening of the day?
Well, the opening was oh, you know what? Yeah, I think you're right. It was. Yep. Yep, absolutely. Yes. I mean, it was almost a double top. It was a little off from the pre-market, but yeah, that definitely went all the way up to the open. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Good catch. That was probably real close, wasn't it? Yep.
I was more focused on the whole dollar amount. So, hey,
Yep.
you know.
Yeah, yeah. It was funny, right? Your mind could go all a million places. You know what that means? It's time for a sip of Diet Mountain Dew to recharge the batteries. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm about to get myself a Diet Mountain Dew.
Yep.
What about the first 15-minute candle, Coach?
Oh, crap. How about I just throw stuff everywhere? How'd that be?
Mostly to the outside is the 15-minute rule.
Getting chopped up will make you want to throw stuff sometimes.
I know it, right? I'm just chucking stuff now. I'm like, that's it. It's time to get serious. All right. Yeah, approaching double top is 604 on SPY. Then we got over here.
Apple baby.
Yeah, Apple. Let's take a look. Yeah, Apple's looking good over there on that 2-minute. Nice job. How we doing over there, Apple 2-minute EWO gang? Everybody all right? You guys okay?
Yeah, but the shop was killing those contracts only up 8%.
Right.
Look at that power on SPY.
I see it. I'm in it.
Be careful, you're also right at that double top.
Oh, I see it. I've got my stop in place.
Yeah. It's all about what it's going to do right there.
Yep, just took it. Quick $500. Yeah, huge double top, and you got the 200 MA right there, right?
That's what I said.
Yep, yep.
And you're coming up on red to green too.
Yep.
That too.
Order filled.
You know I'm in that to the downside with the stop above.
With a top drop. Come on.
Yep. Giving it some wiggle room with the stop above. You know I got to run that.
That's your favorite trade.
It really is. It would be better if it was like previous day high or pre-market high would have been the best, but I'll take this little tiny one. And if not, I'll fill it and move on, right?
Yep, yep.
It is. It's hovering around it. Got my stop up here, giving it a little bit of room. My stop somewhere up here. Well, here, if I pull up.
Waiting for Nana to say, Apple know how day. Let's go, Nana.
Right? Yeah, my stop is like right here. 603.95 is my exact stop.
Sucker hit 240 yesterday, and then we have earnings on the 31st, right? Or 30th? After hours.
Yeah, there's a lot of crazy stuff this week. Don't we got Meta? I mean, there's a lot of craziness this week. FOMC.
Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla.
Meta.
Like, this is a nutty week.
And Microsoft.
Yeah, Microsoft. Yeah, everybody's hanging on this week for all AI chatter again, right?
Yeah.
Coach, would this be like a time of like really big repositioning from like the big boys?
Well, that's why it's funny that I see her doing that now. Yeah, it should have been before now, right? You don't do it. You do some before and after earnings is how it usually works. A chunk before, a chunk after, or sell off before and then buy or sell after.
So we're just hearing about it.
Correct. Yeah, because you never do it into earnings, right? You want to be early. All right, here we go. Is this the pull we've been waiting on? I like the way that pulled hard under 604. It's just sitting here, but I like that. I'm going to move my stop tighter, though, because if this bounces a 9, it's going to slingshot back up. So I actually moved my stop in from up here to down here. Because if this doesn't knife drop in this zone, it's going to pop. Make sense?
Yeah, coach.
There she goes. Come on. Stay below that 9. It's going to be lights out. Come on. This right here, right? If it respects the 9, that's why I'm saying it respects the 9. It could bounce hard. That's why I've got my stop tighter. There she goes. There she goes. Go on. Keep going. I don't want to move my stop to kill it because this has massive potential. There it goes. Yes. Yes. That's 1,000. 1,500. Moving my stop. 1,800. 2,000. Moving my stop. 2,800. Moving my stop. 3,000. Moving my stop. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. 3,500 right there.
Fuck yeah, coach. I'm
Yep.
loving this.
Yep.
5 contracts.
4,500. 5,000.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Right there. 6,000. Yep.
I'm out right there.
Yep. $6,000 trade right there. I'm still in it. Moving my stop.
Classic trade, coach.
Yep. Moving my stop.
Tesla is dumping crazy, that's why.
Hold on.
Nice.
Hold on. I'm going to share my screen. Let me know when you guys can see it. 7,000.
Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Yep.
Please mute your mics. Let Coach talk.
Boom.
Stop
This
filled.
trade, please.
Scott out. $5,000 trade. There you go. Did you guys,
Congratulations.
thank
He's
you.
a donkey.
Thank you. Did you guys see it?
I was in that one.
Yep.
I was in it. We were in
I was in it.
I was trying to flip my screen earlier, but it kept running. I was like, I got to let it keep going.
Maybe you didn't stay to that yellow line you had there.
Yes, that's right
In
where
my
I
head,
had it,
coach, I
right?
was like, this is gonna be the one time I'm set up for a double top pullback that it doesn't pull. And it finally did.
That's why you trade the trade, right?
Yeah. I was in.
Nice. Yep. Nice, nice. That got up to $7,000 and I ended up collecting 5,500 was the total on that trade.
Nice.
Yep. Up 6,017 for the day, even with all the silliness.
Do you believe in magic?
Yeah, you do. Who
So
else
what
set
happened
up
is
on that?
Nvidia and Tesla pulled.
Who else
pretty
set
hard
up on
to
that
spy with it.
beautiful double top, right?
Yep.
Huh? Who set up on that?
Oh.
Anybody else make money on that besides me and Palm?
Yeah, I did, coach. 5 contracts.
Set up.
I did, coach, too. Thanks.
Good job.
Know it, coach.
Nice job.
And in the meanwhile, Apple new high.
So I want you guys to think about that trade for a minute, right? It was very small risk because I had my stop just above. All reward, right? That was a little risk, all reward. So that was about a 1 to 7 R, right? So I was risking 1,000 to make 7,000. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep. I'll take that all day. I ain't scared of that trade. Yeah, today I'm trading futures. So all week I've been trading stocks and options. I thought I'd mix it up today. Just so you guys know, we trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto. Make sure you guys head on over. Use the discount code 2025 to take 25% off any of our memberships minus crypto. Our crypto, we got a crazy sale right now. $500 for the year or $1,500 lifetime. Right now, that's ending this week.
NVIDIA double bottom, coach.
Oh, nice. Nice and nice.
Coach, you think you'd ever pivot to crypto or Forex?
No, never.
Okay.
Nope, never, ever. I mean, you guys can, but hell no.
Yeah, Forex. Euro is climbing.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you trade in there, don't you, partner? I know you trade a lot of euro.
Yeah, I don't trade Forex. I do
Just euro?
currencies into futures. Yeah.
I got you.
I love the euro. It moves a lot
Yep.
up and down.
Yep. Yeah, for futures, just so you guys know, I typically will do oil and gold in the afternoon. Remember, I told you guys the golden hours is going to be about 6 to 10 ish. But regular market, I'm usually trading ES, whether it's full ES minis or MES for micros. If you guys want, if you guys like NASDAQ, you guys can trade the NQ for minis or MNQ for the micros. But you guys know I love SPY and stocks and options. So therefore, because I'm so used to staring at it all day, it makes sense to do ES for futures, right? And I just have fun. You guys know me. I like to mix it up. I've been doing this 33 years, man. I always like mixing up. Just like I'm trading in. Sometimes you guys will see me trade it directly out of Webull. Today I'm doing it from Trading View to Webull. Like I like mixing it up, right? I like to mix it up. Keeps my brain active. Right here, I'm looking to the downside.
Order filled.
I like this here. I love that stayed below VWAP here. Stop loss is just above VWAP.
It's also first ready, W.
Oh, nice. Letting this work, you guys can see that everything is jammed up right here. You've got the 200, the 55, the 9, the 21, VWAP. It's all right there, right? So do you guys think I would like that for all of them to be under it? Of course, right? Moving my stop. Come on, baby. Nope.
Stop filled.
It's going to say I had too tight. It's all right. Made another $100. That's because I'm watching this 603 like a hawk, right?
Yep.
What the heck? Why'd my stream go offline? Hold on. Face cam went out.
Need to see your face.
Yeah, it's for our media team. That face cam went offline for some reason.
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you. 7,000 likes so far over on TikTok. Thank you. I appreciate all of you being here. Remember, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up. Free Discord. We're going to try to do some giveaways today if I can get everything working properly. So look for that. Yesterday, we gave away like $400. We did a bunch of trivia pursuit. Everybody had fun. We gave away hundreds of dollars. That was awesome. Thank you for everybody that was involved in that. Make sure you're always watching the Stock Lounge for that information. We announced it all over the place for you guys to get free money yesterday. Anybody in here win any of that free money?
Coach, I didn't recognize any of our regular members in there. That's a bunch of new people.
There are a lot of free. Yeah, that's. It's funny when you see the free people come out of the woodwork. Isn't that funny when you see all the free people like you've never seen or heard them before, and they're like, free money? We're testing it out. We want to give away money every single day in the month of February. We just have to make sure the systems are all working and in place. So pay attention, gang. We're literally giving away tons of money. All right. Apple continuing to run. Congratulations, everybody. And the Apple who's doing the 2-minute EWO.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, the live chat should be on fire over there since that's all they're concentrating. Hey, what's up, True Blue? Good to see you from Australia. Nice, nice. Excuse me. Had to sneeze there. Excuse me. All right, here we go. Still pulling back on SPY. I want to see that break of 603, though, before I'm looking at that trade again, right?
Yep.
It keeps respecting it every time it touches it down here. Apple
new high
continuing to
day.
make new highs. Yep. Nice.
Getting close
10.
to that, creeping to that red to green.
Yeah, yeah. It's got quite a ways to go, though. It's got another $1.30 to get there. See it? It's got to get up to what, about 238.30 ish, somewhere around here. Looks like it'll go somewhere up there. All right, here we go.
Yeah, it was like
SPY. If this breaks above 603.50, you guys already know what I'm doing, right?
Si, senor.
Just be careful. 2-minute EWO band again, way up high, and it's coming up on that 200 over there. So it doesn't have a lot of wiggle room, which tells me if I get into this trade, I'm going to have a tighter stop than usual, right? I'll take a little bit of that trade just because it's a nice setup, but I'm not going to give that a lot of wiggle room, right? I won't let that blow me up. Just trying to tell you how my mindset is working off that trade. So that will be a tighter stop trade. Waiting for that break, 603.50. I'm in it.
Order filled.
Tighter stop. That VWAP. I even went in smaller position size on that. I was doing 15 minis. This time I did 5. Waiting to see if we get a move. There it goes. Nice pop. Need a little more. Come on, keep coming. Yeah, baby. Go.
There we go. There we go.
Yes, go, go, go. Moving my stop. Yes. Who's making money? Go, baby. Go. Who's making money? Come on. Yes. Moving my stop. As closer we get to the 200. Yes. There's 500. Moving a real tight. Now I'm at the candle wick below itself in case it hits the 200 and pulls back.
Stop filled.
There it went.
Stop filled.
There you go. $300 on that. I'm up $6,335.30. Did you guys all see why I did what I did? Remember,
Yep.
I said watch the 200, right? So the closer I got to the 200, the more I shoved that stop way up there, because if it's going to pull, which it did, isn't that the spot?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
And look at that. That's a textbook pull right at exactly at the 200. And if you guys look at your 2-minute EWO charts that we have with our trading view indicators, it showed you exactly where that upper band was and pulled, didn't it? Glorious.
Yeah, and bounced off the 603.75.
Yes, it did. Textbook, baby. Man, you guys are a bunch of geniuses in here. Geniuses.
Well, I always thought so.
Well, you are. As this pulls below.
Genius is led by a genius.
Right here. If this pulls below this, there it goes.
Order filled.
I'm in it small again with a stop above VWAP.
What were you saying the other day where you kept slurring your speech? I can't even think about it.
I don't remember. I say so many stupid things in here. Everybody's like, you're right, coach. Shut your mouth and trade the trades. We don't want to hear you. There we go. That's nice. Oh, yeah, 250. Now, again, I've got my stop to protect. 400. Moving my stop a little more. Why? Because we're getting down to that.
Stop field.
There it is. Yep, because we're coming to the bottom. So I tight. If it breaks through, I can do it again, but I've guaranteed locked in my profit off that move. I can look at doing it again if and only if it breaks through there, right?
With a break and hold, right?
That's right. But I have guaranteed I locked myself in on that money, didn't I?
Yep.
Yeah, I sell off into support all the time. I'll just buy more if it goes past.
Exactly. Yep, exactly. I'd rather take that guaranteed money and look for the next setup. Because actually right now, right? Oh, there it goes. I like it.
Order filled.
Yes. Oh, it's sitting right on that 602.80.
And into in future, are you shorting SPY right now?
I'm shorting it here. Yep.
Yeah.
Takes all the way down for the retest.
But it is right here, man. It's so close.
Kind of the thickness of the floor right there.
Yes. Huge floor.
NVIDIA new low, Tesla new low.
Thank you. That was too ballsy, coach. I don't like where your head was at on that, coach. Got in a little too late. I'm still in the trade. Got my stop in case it bounces hard here. Still into the downside. I should have waited, though, until it ran past 602.80. Everybody see the difference? That would have been a much better trade waiting for the break. And we even got it marked 602.80, don't we? There it goes. That's better.
Gold crashing. It's glorious.
Good job, partner. There we go. That's the move I was looking for. Come on. Come on, bleed out. Oh, it's just sitting right there. Gotta break 602.80. Isn't that what we had marked?
Yes.
Yes, coach.
Yep. It's been playing with it.
It has.
Waiting patiently to be in a better position.
I'm moving my stop tighter on this one. I actually moved my stop to previous body, which is right there. Because if it bounces, it's going to bounce hard to come back to the 9. If it bleeds out, I'll be sitting real good. But I don't want to be in this because I'm in heavy.
Meanwhile, hot stock pick XLXN is climbing steadily.
Thank you. Yeah, I should have waited to the break of 602.80. Hopefully that doesn't chop me up. Yeah, it's about to trigger my stops. I'm right above this level. Stay down. And I want you guys to think of why my stop is above that.
Stop field.
There it went. Because if it breaks that spot, right, that could have a nasty bounce to the upside because that means it held support at 602.80 and it'll slingshot. I don't want to be in that, right?
Yeah, 603 has been tough.
Yep, it has. I'm still up 4,596.70, so I'm still up almost 5K, but did give back about $1,000 off that trade. Should have waited. It caught it right in here on that break of 603, but by the time I was filled, it was closer to here. Now, do you guys see the way it slingshot and bounced? You see why I had that tight stop? Because I'm like, hey, if it can't hold that level, you already know support wants to go long, right? Good job. Nice job, everybody. I like the way you guys are thinking.
I'm thinking is the 9 going to be resistance for right now?
It would be if it was trending, but it's channeling.
Copy.
And right now, the the upside is just really, really painful. So you're gonna get a lot of chop to the upside, and the downside will be quick, just like normal. But channels are tough to the upside.
Let's see him retest that low.
So you hit that 602.80 again?
It comes and touches it and bounces.
It does.
To the penny.
It does, right?
Yeah, Nvidia is the big pusher. It's almost 4% down and 99 million in volume, which is way higher than the other 7.
All right. Here we go. Looking for this setup again. I want to wait for that break of 602.80. It's on the same spot again.
It's like its 8th test at that level.
I know. It keeps doing it over and over.
Trend is to the downside.
Yep, absolutely. But I've got to respect that level, right? If I don't respect that level, then that'll chew me up and spit me out. Am I right?
Yes.
Huh. That 9 continues to be the resistant.
Uh-oh. Whoa, what the? Bang, bang. Did you hear what she said? Dangerous.
What did she say?
She came in and gave me a kiss. She's like, be careful, I'm gonna pull you offline.
What?
Oh my gosh. Just trying to
Bang,
do
bang, bang.
just trying to do my job here, lady. The best I can.
That's awesome, Coach.
Without any
Now
type of
for this commercial
distractions.
message.
Without any type of distractions, okay? Goodness gracious.
Long lady, nothing to see her.
That's right. Move along. You know, it's dangerous. 28 years later, and she's still chasing me around the house.
You gotta love that.
Mm-hmm. All right, spy
I
back.
don't know, Coach. I'd probably chase you too.
Uh-oh. Everybody be cool.
Fucking Sergio's language.
Yep. Everybody be cool.
I love that too.
It's about to be canceled in here. Here we go. All right, wait for this break. Again. But I told you guys down here, right? It respected that 602.80 again.
Yeah, I'm just running the channel.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Calls on when it's chop day. Calls on support.
Puts
on
on
resistance.
resistance.
Over and over.
Yep.
Rinse and repeat.
Yes, sir. Beautiful job. And it's a catchy little tune.
It's stuck in my head permanently, thanks to you.
It probably helps your trading though, doesn't it?
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
It just subconsciously just like triggers.
Yep.
When it gets into a channel now.
Yeah, absolutely. Like right here, you go, oh, I'm gonna go calls on. Like, no. That's VWAP, man. That's puts on resistance.
Yep.
That's hilarious. Now we're
I can
stuck.
See if I can ride it through here.
Yeah, now it's stuck here. The 9 and VWAP breaks this 9. We'll look for a pull again.
Yeah, but if it goes a little bit further, I'm gonna get stopped out.
Are you in longs off the bottom?
Yep.
602.80? Yep.
Yeah, off the bounce.
Yeah, no, that's good. Because this still looks good to the upside. That's good. That's good trade. You're right. I just used that 9 now, right?
Yeah, look how painful that first upside was, climbing all the way to that 504.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Took forever.
Yes, sir. Right here, I'm in it to the downside.
Order filled.
Yeah. I get stopped. I'll run.
Yeah, now watch it bounce on me too when I went short. Stops above VWAP. This thing will trick you out in a hurry today, though, won't it?
Yeah, it's too tight.
Come on, right
It's not
here.
making well-defined moves other than to the downside.
Yep, I agree. Apple
Hot
just
stock pick.
continuing. Go
Oh,
ahead.
my bad.
Go ahead.
Hot stock pick XLXN is new high of day.
Thank you. We had that yesterday, remember?
Yeah, it's running again like crazy, coach.
Nice. Do you guys remember me saying that was awesome because of the news that came out?
Yes.
Right? We don't talk about that a lot, but that's why I said this had really good news. So this is a good one.
I remember you talking about it a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, and I've
Yep.
been keeping my eye on it the whole
Yes.
time.
Nice job. Good job. There we go.
Apple had
There it goes, Palm. Come on, baby. Yeah. Are you with me,
stuck.
right? We're just fighting this freaking VWAP to 9 area, right?
Yeah, I'll just wait for it to pick a better direction.
Yeah. I don't blame you.
Otherwise, I've been scalping. Well, actually, I played the SG to the upside. Now I've scalped it 3 more times. RGTI, I've been in that to the upside, and
Yeah.
DGT, I've been scalping 50 cents.
Nice job.
Nana, are we gonna have to replace you?
Uh-oh. Nana's getting replaced. There goes Apple continuing to rip.
Exactly.
Good job, Apple 2-minute EWO riders. I love it.
238.30 was the new daddy right there.
Yes. Man, look at this, Palm. What is this indecision?
It's crap.
Wow. Like I said, I've got my stop just above VWAP. So we'll see. Oh my. Sorry guys, printer's about to go nutto over here.
Lost your audio, coach.
I know, sorry, I had to mute it. I'm about to get stopped out up here, Palm.
I got stopped out. And I'm just waiting for a break one way or the other.
Yep. I've got
I don't like it's too close to VWAP. It's not worth it. The juice isn't worth the squeeze, you know.
Yep, I agree. Absolutely, 100% agree. And I've got a little bit of wiggle room just above VWAP just to give it enough in case it, wicks through and then knife drops. So you guys are here if my order gets filled, so you'll know when I'll be out of that. Billy, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Yes. Hi, Coach. I've been watching the SPY with you all day. So I've been watching it both on the Webull and on TradingView, and I'm using your indicators on TradingView.
Uh-huh.
The VWAPs are different.
That is correct. They're off by a little bit because their timing is off. Yep.
But they're off by like 14 ticks.
Well,
And as I've been observing it,
off
it
the
looks like the
same-
market's been playing much better on your indicator.
Yeah, off the same. Well, I'm trading. So if I'm trading off of TradingView, I use TradingView. If I'm trading off of Webull, I use Webull, right? But then I use so whichever one I'm trading off, that's what I use because that's the guide.
Okay.
But they are off a little bit because and we've been trying to figure out how to get them to match closer. We're still working on that.
Okay.
Yeah, but VWAP is the only thing that's off a little bit. But yeah, our TradingView is dead on though.
Yeah. And I feel with your indicator, with your VWAP, that the market has actually been playing with its bounces much better off of that VWAP.
Correct. I agree. Yep. I agree. Yep.
Okay, just wanted to point that out.
Yeah, because when we programmed it to TradingView, right? We weren't concerned with what was happening with Webull. That's why it's on point.
Right.
Yep.
Right. Okay, very good. I'm going to stick with TradingView.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I actually love trading out of TradingView, which is crazy. I love trading out of at least futures. That's the only time I only do it, but futures are on point, man. It fills when I want. It gets out when I want. The stops always work. Knock on wood. I've never had one break. I've never had it run through it. It's just
More and more of our futures members have transitioned over to TradingView trading, linking your Webull account to it.
Yeah.
It works beautiful. You don't have to worry about closing extra boxes out when you exit on stops.
Exactly.
NVIDIA puts, coach. I'm over in NVIDIA now.
Oh, nice job, brother. Oh, I like it. I like where you're going. I've got support at 123 for some reason. I'm not over there looking at it, but previous. Oh,
Yeah, I got a line there too.
There went SPY pop. Did you guys hear my fill? Did you guys see SPY pop out of nowhere?
Order filled.
Now it's running upside. I'm flipping the script. Man, that volume came out of nowhere, didn't it?
Yes.
Wow.
It's just retesting the parts of the channel. That's all.
Yep, coming back up to that 603.50-ish again.
Bears were done. Bulls took over.
Yeah, and it was, you could see the 9 was starting to come up too. Everything was coming up.
Yeah.
That's
I'm
all
liking
right.
this NVIDIA play though.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach, can you put up Apple on the bottom screen, please?
Yep. There
You
you go.
know, after Apple hit that 238.30, it started playing like all day around the 238.70, 238.80.
Now remember, Apple, you guys are going to want to watch the closer you get to around this 238.30, which is going to be from red to green, right? Remember we discussed that earlier. Here we are, SPY up at that 603.50. See it?
Yep. Still printing on NVIDIA.
Yeah, nice job. Good job.
That thing's going to hell.
Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Oh, I'm out of that. Pulled back 603.50. Man, SPY is just a wreck.
Hess is pulling.
Yep. Good times were had by all.
NVIDIA down 5%, Coach.
Oh my. What a roller coaster ride for NVIDIA, right?
And this is the dragon's tail right here. This is great.
Yes, look at SPY.
Order filled.
Look at SPY here.
Yep, same thing. This won't quit. 122.
Yep.
Go baby go.
Support at 121.72.
Yep, SPY is sitting right here on support.
Thanks for that. I'll pull my stop down.
Yep, doing the same, but it came back fast. There it goes. So say SPY came back fast this time to it. Oh yeah, baby. There she goes. Now this time I did not go calls on support. I went puts on that one because it dropped so fast. That's beautiful. There's 2,000, 2,200. Come on, baby. 24. Moving my stop a little bit tighter. I still want this thing to work.
Now you're on a double bottom from earlier, Coach.
Yep, I see it.
I think the next support after that is 0175.
Oh,
Stop filled.
Just filled. What'd I make? 1,300, 1,300 on that trade.
I got stopped out. That was a nice trade.
Yes, it was. Oh, and then we got the bounce, the big double bottom bounce. See it? Beautiful.
Order filled.
Beautiful.
I got 602.22 as other support for whoever just said that.
Oh, crap. I don't have a stop on this trade. I got to get out of this. Let me put this.
Order filled.
Oh.
That was me. It bounced straight to the penny, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
Order filled.
Let me get out of that trade. Mistakes were made off of that trade. That was a mechanical issue. So what happened is I bought the calls on the bounce. I tried to do like Weeble, where you go next to it and put in a stop. It accidentally reversed it. So I went from calls. It sold my calls into the shorts, and then it took a loss, and then I got out because I'm like, I'm still trying to set a stop. So that little mistake costed me $300 just from a mechanical issue. Know your mechanics, ladies and gentlemen, right?
Right.
Goodness gracious, Coach. This is what happens when you, that's the only problem, right? When you bounce around 800 different things so that you keep your mind fresh as you do stupid stuff like that.
Order filled.
Oh, look at the SPY double bottom. Oh, it's right there. Yes. Moving my stop to protect the trade. I actually went short on this only because it bled so hard to get there. Sorry, my dog's about to drink a gallon of water over here.
Stop filled.
Bounced back up. Only made a couple $100. I wanted this to have a bigger pull, but this is its true double bottom right here. See it at 602.50?
Yep.
Because I wanted it to pull through that 602.50 and just give me nice pay. That's okay. I'm going to watch for it here now. But the trade is a double bottom bounce with a tight stop in case a knife dropped, right? That's how you trade that, by the way, everybody that's in the room. So if you guys are doing like double bottom, you just have your stop just below it. That way, if it does decide to go against you, it's a very small risk. It's always about risk management, not about profits, right?
Yep.
Profits will come. Just make the good trades. So all my fooling around today, I'm only up $1,085. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Right? Anybody get in on that double bottom bounce? That was textbook.
I did a similar thing on Nvidia. It was it pushed pretty far down, so I flipped the gamma.
Yes.
Just rode it back up to the 9 in the 1 minute. Now I'm out.
Nice job. $10.48. 10:48. Time for station identification. First of all, let's see if we've got any new paid members that came through the door. I see a lot of free memberships. What do we got here? Nope, that's a renewal. Colette, we see your renewal. Thank you very much for your continued service. 1 star, welcome. You know that's a fake account. Daniel, welcome. Kevin, we see you. Frank, hello. I don't know who that is. That looks like a fake account. We had a lot of fake accounts come in because we were top rated yesterday. So anytime we always get top ranked for stock market trading, we always get a flood of fake accounts because they see my name. That's why I said be careful. We don't direct message each other here, right? So if you get a direct message that looks like it's supposed to be me or a moderator, it's not. Man, look at this trend line. Does everybody see this trend line on SPY that I just drew up here?
Yeah, I was just looking at that, Coach. That's funny you said that. I was
Yeah.
just looking at that.
Coach in the chat, Joe Crow says, I'm a new Diamond member.
Oh, nice. Good job, Joe. Did you just get signed up? Good job. Nice work. New Diamond member. Good job. Congratulations, Mark, over there. $3,835 in the futures. I told you, Mark is on his way. He's on the path to becoming a millionaire trader this year. Every day he's been $4,000 plus. Listen, at $4,000 plus per day, per trading day, That's over $1 million per year. He is on track, no pressure, to become our next $1 million mentor. There you go. Good job.
Good job, Mark. Way to go, buddy.
Good job.
Great job, Mark.
Good job. Yes.
Keep it up.
Try my homework.
Yes.
That money was just since 9 a.m. That didn't count what I did last night.
Good job.
Well,
Hey,
I'm
Coach.
glad that you listened to everything I taught you.
Good job,
Ah,
Coco.
Coco.
Thank you,
Nice job,
I
Coco.
love it.
Coco.
It's about time.
Yes, she said it's about
I'm
that
hard-headed.
time.
I'm hard-headed. Can't help it.
Order filled.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
Were you ever able to see that PDF I sent you?
I did briefly.
Okay.
Here, 11 star trades. Yes, I saw it.
Let me know if you want any edits, because it's just I
Got
made
it.
it in like 10 minutes.
Got it. Did you guys see that? By the way, I went in that short off of SPY once it got up near VWAP off that trend line, right? I don't know. You guys heard the order filled, right? That's what that was. Moving my stop to protect the trade.
Stop filled.
There it is. Made another $200. 187.50 to be exact, plus fees. So it's probably 150 every time you hear that. Every time you hear that, an angel gets its wings.
Hey, Coach.
Stop filled.
Stock trader gets its wings.
Stop
That's hilarious.
filled.
That's awesome.
Chill, Coach.
Sorry, my bad. Don't forget.
Stop filled.
Don't forget. Tip your moderators. Will be here all week.
Hey, Coach, how come that voice sounds like Lee? How is he doing?
We haven't talked to Lee in quite a while. He was having some serious physical stuff, so I'm
Yeah,
not sure if any of the moderators have spoke to him lately.
Yeah, wish him well.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yep. Anybody get this pullback right here, right? Followed that nice trend line. It wasn't a ton, but it was enough to make a trade-off. So that already
It's
shows
like a
you.
little green triangle.
Yeah. So if you look at this trend line, right? So if this breaks VWAP above this trend, you already know this thing's going to blast off back up to that 603.50, right? See it? So if this breaks right here through this trend line and through VWAP, this is going to skyrocket. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yep. It's
Yeah,
gonna
Coach, I was
be-
just about to ask you also with the bottom line, the bottom of it being around 602.50, are we getting to one of those things where it's kind of going into a point, it's gonna have to pop or drop?
Yeah, yep. And you can see, I mean, if you guys look at this, right? Let's look at it this way. So check this out. Can you guys see this perfect channel that we're in? Watch. You see it?
Yep.
That's the channel we're in. Everybody see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Up, down, up, down,
Right
up, down,
until
up,
it
down.
breaks.
Yep. And until it break, and as soon as it breaks, though, off to the races, right?
Yeah, one way or the other.
That's right.
If and when it breaks.
Yep. So just like this, right? So if we're trading the now right here, I'm not going long. I got to be careful. Everything is jammed so tight. I got to be really careful here. Right? So I'm actually set up to go short because we touched the trend line. I want to see it break below this 9 and then I will short it. If this starts to get real tight up in VWAP, I'm going to load up to go the other side just because we're getting tighter and tighter and tighter up here. But this is a short versus a call. Where you guys will be like, oh, I want it to pop and run. But you got to wait. This isn't set up yet. Now, the other thing is if this starts to consolidate against it, that is another lookout. This could pop, right? This is getting tighter and tighter and tighter in here. This, see it? This keeps channeling.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, Coach.
Yep. And look at it though. Like I said, this is a short versus a call right here. Look at that. Look at that pullback.
And Nvidia's got the same thing going on. It's just a little tougher to chart.
Yep, yep.
Question, coach.
Yes, go ahead.
What's that little green triangle underneath of that candle there? 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4, 5 candles back.
that's the super trend indicator.
Order filled.
Yep, that's just a super trend indicator. Yep. By the way, I just went short on that. I don't know if you guys heard it or not.
Filled.
Protecting my trade. There we go. I'm up 1,000. Why? Because we stayed right. We broke that. The normal trend line. It bounced, pulled back. That's where we wanted to go, right?
Stop filled.
Stay down
And
there.
then if it catches this next support, it'll be cup and handle potentially.
That's right. Yeah, it's selling off some. I don't want it to, but I want it to stay down here low because I want it to come all the way back down to this trend line, right?
Yep. And if it stops short, then we got an inverse cup and handle.
That's right. And then I got to watch it. But I'm still in this trade.
Yeah, I'm at Nvidia, the same thing.
Yep.
Exact same pattern.
Yep. I'm up 625 right here. Going to move my stop slightly. That way, if it does pull back, I'll still make at least 5.
Stop filled.
There it is. Made 500 on the trade.
Hey, Coach, is that a double bottom with that other green candle?
It is. And this was a previous level of support here. See it right there?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Yep. That's why I moved that tighter than normal, right?
Right.
I got something you can coin. You know how that channel looks like a frequency, like radio waves?
Yeah.
You can call it the WTF channel, what the frequency.
I like it. That's yours to coin. Take it.
I got stopped.
Yeah, I did too. But I was real tight to make sure I got paid off that trade.
Yeah, I'm not leaving anything on the table today.
Yep. Yeah, it's too choppy for that. I know I was doing that earlier, right? Once I got that big old double top pullback, right? Then your brain will be like, they're all going to be big. And then you get into that mode and you start missing all the little nuggets that turn into giant money.
Yeah. Yeah, we had 2 days of really good trending, and now we're back to chop.
That's right.
So as long as we stay within 20, 25 points in the S&P, it's chop salad.
Yep. Oh, I agree. Yep.
That's okay. I like them both ways.
Yeah, doesn't matter to me. I just have to, right? When it does that, that's what I was saying, everybody. You got to be careful once you get into the like, oh, I want it to go a long way, like, right, where you get the big gains. Listen, some days like today, if I just do 50 little choppy moves, that'll pay for way more than if I'm looking for big home runs, right? It's great when we get those double tops and double bottoms and it pays off and ooh, $6,000, $7,000 trade. But I'm telling you right now, if you get even 10 300s, right? It's so much easier. You're collecting profits. You're not just scooping up for the big ones. You know what I mean? Take those little bit. Well, ask Mark. He's over there making $4,000 to $6,000 a day every day, just doing quick 50, 75, 50, 75. And then it'll go 200, 300, right?
And the best part about channel trading is it's all low risk, high reward.
That's right. Yep, I agree.
Every single one. Just play off those supports and resistance lines.
Yep.
Load them. And I've been taking some pretty heavy trades this morning off those lines.
Well, and they've been paying off because that's what they've been following them to a T here.
Yeah, like almost to a penny or two. I mean, it's beautiful.
Yep, it is nice.
Lots of questions on TikTok. How do I become a member, Coach?
If you go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com, you can sign up for our free Discord. If you're interested in any of our memberships, just use the discount code today, 2025, to take 25% off of any of your standard membership, VIP, VIP Gold. Take advantage today. By the way, I changed the pricing over on our website. Let me show you guys just so everybody knows what this looks like. Let me share it now. Give me 1 second. I did change this, hopefully to make this a little easier for new people coming in. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So this is our website. If you just click up here on the top where it says pricing, you can see right here, free, stocks and options, futures, or crypto. Then what I did is I made a ginormous, you can't miss this button, all other services. Click here for all of our other products and services not listed. Everybody see it? And it's here. Because for some reason, people can't see the giant one in neon letters that says, click here for more packages. So I made two. There you go. Crypto again is on sale, $500 for the year, $1,500 lifetime. If you guys are just interested in getting all of our products and services that we have to offer right now and in the future, get the Diamond Lifetime. It has everything, which right now with my one-on-one, which is the first 10 people, I think we have 4 left, $56,000 in value for that membership for what I have earmarked. $56,000 right now for what we have earmarked out. So, interested? Head over. If you don't see it, click here. If you still don't see it, raise your hand, ask. We'll take care of it for you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Good lead in there, Mark. Appreciate that. All right.
Coach, it won't let me click the gold add-on to my VIP membership.
Is it giving you an error or anything?
The highlight where it says join, it's not a blue button. It's not allowing me to click it.
Moderators, you hear that?
Leave add-ons, you need to fill out a ticket, I believe.
If it's listed, it should show up. Bruno, are you in here by chance?
Yeah, coach, I'm looking at it now.
Okay. And who was that was having the issue?
Mark.
Mark, I see you. Yep. Mark, we're checking it out right now.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, thank you. I appreciate you. Right here, gang, spy. You see what it's doing? Do you see where it's at?
Yes, coach.
Order filled.
What did I say would happen right here?
It's testing it. We'll see if we can hold it.
Yep, exactly. So I've got my stop just below the trend line. If it can't hold, because VWAP's right there, I'll get out quick. If it holds, massive payday. So again, minimal risk, ginormous reward, A+ setups. John, you got your hand up. Go.
Yeah, hey
Stop
coach.
filled.
So in this situation, I see that you're going long based on the break of that sloping resistance
Trend
there.
line. Yep.
Are you not worried about that to the left right there, that being a double top?
No, not off this little. No, this trend line right here means more to me than that, because it's been respecting this the whole time, right? Yep.
Understood. Thank
Yeah,
you.
what I would respect more off of this is VWAP. See it right here? This means more than anything else, this spot. So I already knew right here, if this breaks, I've got to watch this. So I had my stop literally right here. Because if this broke VWAP, I'm going to the 200. This would have been a nice payday. If not, I got stopped out, costed me $200, $280. That was the trade. So basically, $280 worth of risk for $3,000 probably reward. Make sense? Oh, look at that. So since it respected the trend line that I'm drawing out farther so you guys can see, and now look at this. Oh my, and I'm missing it. Talking too much, coach.
Order filled.
Get in the trade and shut your mouth.
Yeah, never broke the held above the trend line.
Look at this.
And there's no news to really constitute any price action, so this is just kind of cruise control right now.
That's correct. It's just channel trading. Yep, we're just collecting off of channel trading.
Yes, and on a day like today with an event instead of fundamentals, a lot of times as we get closer, the channels will narrow.
That's right. Oh, look at that. Yes. I want to see that break that 602.66. I'm going to take it here.
Order filled.
That's $1,125 right there. Now, if this breaks, coming down to 602.50, which is a gold level, double bottom bounce last time, but I took my profits at 602.60 here. Can anybody tell me why? Why didn't I just let that trade develop to all the way down to that triple bottom?
It's been support all morning.
That's right. Absolutely, right? Here, here, here. I'm taking my money. Now,
Yes, sir.
if it breaks through that again, then I can look at it. But right now, and notice our trend lines are all moving. So the fact that this trend line is moving everything is also going to play into factor. So it's imperative we just keep, it's like this, isn't it? It's about like that. Can't be exact, but it's going to be real close to that. Everybody see it?
Yeah, it's also bouncing off that center point too.
It is. Yep. Good call on that. Absolutely. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Day trade license to be able to do this. No, you don't need a license to do this. Nice job. Good job. Where are we at? 17,400 likes. Don't forget, we get to 350 likes. Or 350 viewers. Oh, and I got to go soon, too. I've got an 11:30 I got to fly for. Oh, look at this thing pull.
I'm still in it.
Nice.
I didn't believe that was gonna hold.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's nice. I want to see if I can catch the tail end of it down to the trend line since it broke the 602.50. As long as it stays below 602.50, gang, see it?
Yeah, no, I feel like I'm gonna get stopped here.
Yeah, this is danger zone. This is rebound city.
Yeah, I'm out. I got stopped. I'm just not risking it today.
Yep, no, I agree. Nice trade.
Take little bits.
Yep.
And coach, update on that. You have to be a VIP member in order to buy the gold add-on.
I got you. I thought he said he was VIP.
Yeah, from his profile, I don't see a VIP. I only see a original lifetime.
That was Hunter, right? Hunter, are you in here?
It was Hunzi, Mark.
Hunzi, Mark, where you at?
Now he could buy a VIP gold complete, no problem.
Well, let's ask him. Are you in here? Where are you at, partner? Yeah, it was Mark right there.
I am here. I thought I was VIP. Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. Are you
But yeah, this is
VIP
an
or
original.
just original? Okay, yeah. So you can buy the
I
VIP gold
thought
complete.
I was. All right, that's what. Yeah, I'll do that then.
Yep. Let us know if you need help. But yeah, just get the gold complete.
They finally fixed that, coach, where you can't buy it unless you're VIP.
Oh, good. Okay, but we can show it. Okay, good.
We can show it, but it
Perfect.
says unavailable because they got to buy the VIP.
No,
so it
that's
forces them. Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect because before we couldn't show it and it was hidden, and then people that could
Stop
get it couldn't
filled.
get it, right? So
Correct. Yeah.
that's perfect. It's exactly what we wanted. Good job. All right, let's see. And don't worry, Mark. We'll see it when it comes through. I'm watching for it. We'll take care of you, buddy. We'll get you straight, squared away. So there was that bounce off 602.50. I tried to short that, so I had a tight stop on that at 602.50 if it bounced, and it did. So obviously it got me out. But that was a nice triple bottom bounce to the upside, right?
Yeah. Yep. I did not flip. I went and did some scalps on other stuff.
Right. Apple finally pulling here. Hopefully you guys have been collecting on Apple. Nice job. SPY 602.50 again right here. Gold level.
Order filled.
602.50. SPY is dancing right here. There it is. There's the bounce. Moving my stop up. Tight stop because the 9's right there.
And then just to reiterate what you say every day, we don't pick bottom.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, never guess bottom, right? That'll wreck your soul.
Oh yeah.
Hell, how's the
What time is
best?
this meeting, Coach?
2 o'clock.
2? Thank
You got a breakout today.
Oh, there it goes. Come on, baby. Get up there.
Yeah, switched to 2.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Breakout room today.
Is today Wednesday? If it is, then yes.
They've been
Oh.
yeah, and they've been switched till 12 o'clock.
Yeah, they're at 12 o'clock now every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That way, if I run over like I am right now, it doesn't get in the way, right? And people don't have to try to divide their time.
Roger.
Man, this thing. Come on, get up there. There it goes. Come on. Come on, Pop. Get away from this area. You've been hanging out here forever. Get the hell away from here. There it goes. I'm going to
Order filled.
took it right there. $900. Off that double bottom there, Palm. Triple bottom, actually, technically.
Yep.
Now, the FOMO in me wanted to short that. I'm not going to lie. But I'm like, not doing that. I'm like, not doing that anymore. I'm going to do the trade.
In the afternoons, I say the first bounce is the best bounce off the support. Second bounce is usually playable.
Yep.
Third bounce, you're lucky to get it, and now you got to watch the hell out.
That's correct, because the more times it touches, right, the more times it's going to want to break through it.
No FOMO.
Yes, no FOMO. I agree. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you.
I got to fly here in a minute. So how many minis are you trading at a time? I'm going from 5 to 15, depending on how much I like the trade. And yes, when I'm trading SPY, I'm actually trading SPX. So I'll leave the SPY chart up and trade SPX. But today I'm trading futures, just mixing it up. Keeps my mind sharp. I like to bounce around a little bit. And it's nice because those of you that are interested in futures, you will be signing up for a futures membership. No one in this room, not a single person, will be trading futures unless you have a futures membership. So I will see all of you that are interested and or trading futures get your asses in the future membership. Right, Mark? Okay, good. He's trading right now. I already know it.
He's probably in a trade,
Yeah,
coach.
that's what I was going to say. I guarantee it. He's over here crushing it. He's just crushing it. I'm so happy for him and his family. It's beautiful. He spent so much time with us, him and Nate in the morning, right? Spent so much time in the morning working, helping, doing all the things, became a moderator, training futures now. It's all clicking. My man's making more money than he's literally ever seen in his life. I am so freaking happy. And it's even cooler that it's one of my moderators, which is awesome because I know that they've put in more time than anybody else. And being here, training and educating and showing up and like doing all the things. Next thing you know, more money than he's ever seen in his life. Isn't that what it's all about?
Yes, sir.
I love that. Love that.
100%.
Yes.
What was the time frame on that to where he started really becoming profitable and confident with it?
Well, last year he made over 6 figures trading. So I would say that's confident, right? He made more than his 9-to-5 job trading. That was the last 12 months, but literally within the last month and a half, he's gone from a 6-figure trader to way more. I think he's done $60,000 this month. Something like that, give or take. So it took him, I don't want to put words in his mouth, but I know he's not here and he can respond. So it took him over a year before he became like ultra profitable, about a year-ish. And then it completely replaced the 9-to-5 job. And now, I mean, now he's, you know, he'll be making more than his 6-figure day job per month. That's where he's at now, by the way. Great question.
I know he's going for that world's greatest trophy.
Yeah, he wants the 80 t-shirt, World's Greatest Traders. I'm going to say S because we have a bunch of them. I want you guys to remember this too. The money that he's making in here, he started with $700. That futures account, he never added more. $700 is making him $4,000 per day now, right? That's a $700 account. It's incredible.
Order filled.
By the way, I went short on this one. Can anybody tell me why?
Breaking through.
Yes. Look how many times it's touched here, right?
Support becomes resistance.
That's right.
Yeah, don't look like strong bounces at the bottom.
I've got my stop just above this area too. Again, tiny risk, huge rewards, right, gang? Tiny risks. Oh, there she goes. I'll take it.
I got in just slightly different. I got in off the 21 on the 1 minute with you.
Yep, that was a $1,000 trade right there, that fast. 15 minis, just like that.
Nice.
Yep.
I'm still in it.
Yeah, it's beautiful down to this trend line now, right? It's
Maybe,
nice.
hopefully.
Yep. Yeah, you do that, you're gonna get super paid. I'd go back, got to go back in time though and look.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I get stopped.
Yeah.
It's kind of playing in the middle of the channel now.
Yep. Yeah, and if you look at your 2-minute EWO indicators too, Palm, we're at the very bottom of that band. See it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yep. All right, I got to fly. Everybody, do me a favor. Everybody go over to X today, right? The old Twitter. Go to x.com. Tag me at ADT Coach. If you learned something, if you made any money. Here's something cool and exciting too. I don't know if we've released this or not. Hold on, let me look before my media team and my marketing division freaks out and gets me. Hold on, let me look. I don't want to say it unless it's legit yet. Hold on, it might not be. We're doing something we've never done here before. I don't think this is a go yet. Hold on. I don't see it yet. Nope, not yet. Okay. I've got earmarked to give away about $100,000 in cash this year, just so you guys know. To you guys.
What are you trying to do, Coach?
No. It's the stuff we got brewing that we haven't announced to the world yet.
All right. Just making sure.
Yep. So that's going to be soon. Everybody get ready. So in the meantime, go over to x.com, right? Post something nice, something that happened, maybe some successes, some things that you're getting out of this room. I appreciate everybody being here. Again, thank you to all my moderators and everybody that's here. Did anybody make any money today? Open your mics and let the world know if you did.
Hell yeah.
Every day.
Every day. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the green.
Yes. Thank you, guys. Nice job today. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you. Nate, checking in on you. How you doing, partner? Haven't heard you this morning. You doing all right? Everything work?
I'm just scalping, just what y'all doing, Coach. Just scalping.
Yes. You still trading SPX?
I didn't do XPX today. I'm just scalping large stocks.
Good.
That's all I'm doing.
Because SPX has been
Yeah.
Listen, I've traded it seriously probably 20 times today, and I'm only up $1,500. So it's probably good that you're on those other ones, because SPY has just been chop.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so I'm just scalping. Everything I can scalp, I'm scalping.
Nice job. Nice
Yeah.
job. Oh, I see it, Noonie.
Still up a pretty good bit. So
Yes, nice job. Noonie, you in here? Can we discuss? I love this. If you're in here, we will. If not, we won't.
yeah, I think Noonie had a good day.
I don't. Is she in here?
She was earlier.
She sent me a message, but I don't know if she's here. I just sent her a message back. We'll see. I don't like to discuss financials unless everybody gives me the blessing. You know how it works. You know how we roll.
Mm-hmm.
What happens at ADT stays at ADT unless everybody's like, yeah, we can go public with it. So, anyways, nice job, Noonie. I see you. All right. Again, congratulations. Mark over here still crushing it. So happy for you, dude. I'm ecstatic, right? Same with
Paying his bills off too, Coach. I like
yes,
that.
that's my favorite part. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and he took a giant chunk of this money and was paying down debt.
Mhm.
And
Yeah, I
he
like
still had
that.
the reserves to keep going, which is phenomenal.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mark's in beast mode. He's doing great.
He is. I love it. Noonie.
It's been a real inspiration, Coach. I tell you that.
Yeah, I love it. So this is an excellent, excellent, excellent training moment with Noonie here. And I'm seeing if she has a mic. I don't know if she has her mic. But she just gave me the blessing to discuss. Now, for some of you, you're going to be like, how is this a blessing? I want to show you guys, right? So Noonie, in case you weren't aware, was what, 3 months, 28 days green every single day yesterday, right?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. Noonie's in here. Today was Noonie's first red day. This is phenomenal. And I'm going to tell you guys why. We had a paradigm shift. Noonie before, right, would be red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green every other day, doing it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? Until eventually reds became more than greens. Am I right, Noonie?
Yes, Coach.
And now today was a red day. This is my favorite part of the red day. So Noonie finally had a red day. So congratulations, because guess what? because red days are a part of what we do. You cannot be green every day. I
Yeah.
don't care.
I
Eventually
know
it
it's
happens.
coming. I know it's coming, but
Right.
I don't know when.
That's right. This is my favorite part. So next to it, she says, and this is why I wanted you guys, and this is why I asked her permission. She said, I had my first red day today. I'm feeling good. Thumbs up.
Damn right. Good job, Noonie.
Do you see the paradigm shift from before? It would have been like, oh no, another red day, another red day. Oh no, what was me? What did I do? Oh no, right? Isn't this the feelings we would all get, everybody? Am I right?
Yep, because she knows she's
Yes.
got it.
Yeah, and it's like this is a part of trading. It's how you handle these losses. So now, as long as Nudie doesn't go into a tailspin and is able to control the emotions, so Nudie, I'm going to tell you like I did in the beginning, and you're going to listen to me. You hear me? Because I want to make sure we
Yes,
stay the
of
course.
course.
If you have a red day tomorrow, you're done. You don't.
100%.
Yeah,
No,
you
no, I
don't-
don't want to
Yep.
lose. I was up 5,700, I think.
Yep. So if a red day comes tomorrow, that's it. That's it. You're going to take weeks off without trading. And this is how all of you will protect your mind and your assets. So I'm so proud of you. Congratulations on your red day today, right?
Thank you, Coach.
Because here's the cool thing with this too, because she had, so much. It's kind of like David. My man's running on like 18 years of green. It's just these crazy numbers. Sometimes it's okay to get that thing out of the way because now you can refocus on, going for it. So don't ever worry when you guys have a red day, right? You need to embrace it. It's a part of trading. It's going to happen, but it's how you deal with that. And the fact that you put next to that, I'm feeling good with a thumbs up, That's everything to me. I have done my job, right? I've got you to where you need to be, and you have done the work and you have done the job to change your mindset. And I'm so happy for your red day. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
When I trade like before, I will be down today more than $5,000, but I just change everything, and 631 is perfect for me.
That's right. So tolerance was hit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which means I'm out. She's not revenge trading, which would have caused her to lose all the money and all the time and energy and work that she's done. Like, do you guys see the difference? Completely different. I absolutely love this, man. This is what I want for all of you to get
I'm
to this
listening.
place. Yeah, you just got to keep working at it, everybody. Right? Noonie was struggling so bad, and we were there with her the whole time, right? Bouncing around, doing some crazy stuff. I mean, it was Noonie, I thought we were going to lose you. I'm not going to lie. Right?
I was too close.
Yeah, you got real close to the sun. You got burnt. You got
Yeah.
burned up to a crisp, and I was so afraid. I really thought we were going to lose her, and it was. I mean, it was. You were in some dangerous territories. You got hooked up with some bad
Idiots.
individuals. Yeah, it costed you money. Like, and I, right, and I was afraid we were gonna lose. Right, that's why I tell you guys every day. Even one person, right? And I know it's harder, but I want to make sure everybody that we're holding on and making sure everybody is safe, right? Everybody, not the majority. I'm trying to save all of you. I want all of you in here. I want to be able to take care of all of you. I want to get all of you where you need to go, right? So if I lose one, it devastates me. That's why I put so much energy into this, because I really thought we were going to lose Noonie. And I want you guys to think of this from a business standpoint. That's one person. As a business standpoint, it's like, well, you paid your money. Thanks, Noonie. I wish you luck. That's not how we roll here, right? This isn't I got your money and goodbye. No, this is I want you here. I want you to be successful. It's not a money thing. It's I want you to be successful, right? So
100%. Our success is your success, coach.
absolutely. And it's my job as a coach, as a professional coach to you guys. That is my job. My job is not to make money trading. My job is to make sure I get you guys to where you need to be. That is my job. Right, Nate? Walk the walk, not talk the talk. Am I right, brother?
That's right, 100%.
Yes. So
Yeah, Noonie has been doing good, Coach.
yes,
I'm really proud of it.
absolutely. Huge
Yeah.
props too, by the way. Yes, huge props to everybody that's helping all the time, man. Seriously, for Nate in the morning and Mark and Ange and all Palm, right? Like Dawn, who just lives and breathes ADT. Oh my gosh, Dawn she is the embodiment of ADT. She is putting in so much time and effort and being here and right doing the things and living with you
My
guys.
family.
And yeah, it's amazing. And David now, right, just crushing it, taking his family to all new heights over there. It's incredible to watch. It's neat seeing when you guys turn the corner. That's trying to get choked up. Hold up.
Hey, Coach, just while we're talking about it,
Yeah.
a couple months ago, we have another member in here, Forrest. It was just really on the ragged edge.
Yes.
Just very upset, and we just kept sticking with it and working with him, working with him. And not only has he turned a corner, but he's having productive discussion with other members now.
I love it.
And the calmness and presence of mind that he has, and the direction and stuff. And so it's talk about a paradigm shift. I mean, he's come a long way, and he's very supportive in the group now too. He's a little quiet in the mornings, but on the afternoons he pitches in a lot.
I love that, man. Right. And that's what's cool, having people like Palm, right? And I appreciate you too. I want you, I know I say it, but because we repeat it, twice a day, I don't want you guys to think that I lose any of that just because I'm saying it. I want you guys to genuinely know how much I care about you moderators as well, because without you guys, we don't have this, right? I'm not here 24/7. if it wasn't you guys inside of these Zoom rooms and working with and talking about and the psychology of and look at the trades and this is what I did. Because in here we don't gatekeep. Yes, you have to have a membership to gain access because we pay everybody and it costs money and we do the things. But when you're inside of these rooms, we do not gatekeep anything. You are directly working with other millionaires who have found success doing this, right? When you're in the fold at American Dream Trading, you're all the way in here with us. This is not a call out group. We're not sending a telegram signal so you guys can lose money. We are here dedicated. If you're a VIP gold member, that's 60 hours a week. 60 hours a week you're with us. It's funny. The new strategic partner we're working with, he found out how much we're doing. He's like, oh my gosh, nobody does what we do. Nobody. And by the way, our strategic partner was in charge of the largest group of stock market traders in the world. That's our new strategic partner. And we are doing things he's never seen or heard of before. What does that tell all of you, right? You are in the right place at the right time to do the right thing. So I appreciate all of you. Sean, go ahead. You got your hand up, and then I'm going to wrap up.
Yeah, I just wanted to call out one more moderator, and you didn't mention him, but Richard has been a huge help here. I mean, his information that he has, the knowledge he has, is just invaluable.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I missed a bunch of them. Richard, Doug, Bucko, Eric's Moto, Unhappily a Housewife, Miranda. I mean, all of them do their thing. Everybody's got a part in this, right? So that's why I said, if I didn't call your name, you guys know I love you. I talk to most of you all day long, especially those of you on payroll. We're always communicating. But listen, you guys are the backbone of this institution and what we do. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys too. Like when I go off on my ridiculous old man rants like this morning and we have good conversations. So I appreciate Nate and everybody else who talks to me about this stuff, right? I'm just appreciative of what we have. And I want you guys to know how much I respect it here every day, right? I love the fact that you guys are here. I love the fact that you guys are a part of American Dream Trading. This is just I knew I had to do something. There was more I could do, right? And this is my jam because I can help you guys directly, right? And financially, this can directly change your life. There's nothing that does this more, right? When I coach football and baseball and all the other things, this is a direct correlation of your life, your family, and generations to come change. There's nothing outside. Now, I mean, I've taken some, you guys hear me talk to some of the NFL and MLB players and stuff in here that I got to work a little bit with, but you guys can see the impact that we can make here. And moderators, I know you guys get to see it because you're with me firsthand seeing the progression people make. It's incredible. This is amazing what we get to do. So I want you guys to know every day, and that's why I try to say it at least twice a day. Thank you to you moderators. So, and thank all of you for being here. Regardless if you're a free member, if you're first day, or if you've been here with us for the last 2.5 years, or if you were here with me before that, so been here the last 4 years, right? Or if you were here before that, when I was helping you guys on the side and I was literally just taking, if you want to give me a tip, you want to buy me and my wife dinner. I had people paying off houses, cars, retiring, everything before I started this Discord 4 years ago. And I was like, you know what? I should monetize this. There's so many other people we could help. So thank you. I appreciate all of you guys being here. So again, thank you to my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, and Bucko. Thank you guys. Thank you to all of our media team members. We appreciate that. You guys are doing just a stand-up job. Nick and Ed Tech and everybody that's over there, you guys are phenomenal. I appreciate everything. Thank you guys for all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Nice.
Thanks to you, Coach. You're the best.
I appreciate that,
Coach,
man. Thank you. Yes, Noonie.
question.
Yes.
It will be okay for you when I put my weekly, I mean monthly P&L on profit and losses.
Yes, absolutely.
It will be okay for you.
Absolutely. As long
Okay, I
as
will
long
do
as
that.
we never have an account number, you guys can post that. Absolutely. Yep.
No, there is
Yep.
nothing.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah, that's awesome. So if you're like, oh, I want to see receipts, well, there you go. So again, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Last question says, sorry, I saw that. Knowing nothing about trading after I join a pay membership, how much capital will I need? None. Zero. Zero. I don't want you using any of your real money. Get into the paid memberships and train. Don't use any real money when you first sign up. You shouldn't be doing that. I want you training. Once you're confident with mechanics, understanding how to do risk management, getting in and out of the trades, understanding which stocks you love, what kind of trader you want to become, then and only then, and notice, by the way, SPY broke that trend. Everybody see SPY broke that trend? Then and only then will you want to use real money. But until then, it should be all on the training, all right? I cannot stress that enough. I will save you so much if you listen to this one thing. Give me one second. Yes.
I got it if you need it.
Yeah, go ahead and send it to me. I'm replying to
Rich.
you.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'll send it to you.
Yep, thank you. All right, thank you, gang. I'm out of here. Love your faces. Moderators, you have control of the board. Don't forget, if you're a VIP Gold member, you have a breakout room in 23 minutes. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon, we have a breakout room for VIP Gold members where you can work directly with other millionaires and mentors inside of the room every single day. We are live every day from 9 to 11 for stocks and options. Today I did futures. I like to mix it up. And then in the afternoon from 2 to 4 with Mark for just futures. And then the aftermarket every day at 5 o'clock with Dawn, talking about the way that the market trended, psychology, all sorts of amazing different things, right? She has a lot of different people on the panel. So we're here 3 times a day, every day. Thank you for all the follows, the likes, the subscriptions. Thank you for all those gifts. I see you over there. I appreciate everybody. I'm out. Love your face. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for everything, Coach.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks,
Have a good
Coach.
one.